Welcome to the most prominent and finest polytechnic of our state, University Polytechnic VIT Mesra. A brief elucidation for admissions 2021 into the various courses offered under Diploma in Engineering and BSc Medical Lab Technology. University Polytechnic was established in the year 2001 as a joint venture of the Department of Welfare Government of Jharkhand and Birla Institute of Technology Mesra to impart technical education specifically to the young brains of Jharkhand. University Polytechnic is located close to the National Highway 33 in the vicinity of our parent institute VIT Mesra. The lush green campus, spread over an area of 16 acres, provides the appropriate environment for holistic learning. There are 2 boys' hostel and 1 girls' hostel located within the campus. The hostels are fully furnished with all the basic facilities and amenities, including Wi-Fi connectivity, CCTV surveillance, computerized common study room with access to digital library, allowing learning beyond classrooms and labs. All the courses offered are approved by All India Council for Technical Education (AICTE). The approval letters are available at our institute website. The academics of University Polytechnic is governed by our parent institute, Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra. The intake capacity for the courses BSc MLT, Diploma in Computer Engineering, Diploma in Electronics and Communication Engineering, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering Production is 30 in each, while the intake for Diploma in Automobile Engineering, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, Diploma in Electrical and Electronics Engineering is 60 for each course. Residents of Jharkhand not more than 24 years of age for ST, SC, PT and PH category and not more than 19 years for General and OBC are applicable for admissions in Diploma in Engineering, provided they meet the minimum percentage of marks required and year of passing their class 10th board examination criteria as displayed on the screen. For PH category, the minimum percentage is 45%. Diploma in Engineering under the lateral entry scheme allows all residents of Jharkhand not more than 25 years of age for ST, SC and PT category and 20 years for General and OBC category to apply for the 2-year course if they have completed ISc with Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics or 2-year ITI in the year 2019, 20 or 21. Residents of Jharkhand with minimum 45% for ST and SC, 35% for PT and 50% for General and OBC in ISc or equivalent examination in the year 2019, 20 or 21 are applicable for BSc MLT. BMLT lateral entry is also going to be introduced and will be notified shortly. Candidates can apply online or download application form from the institute website and send the scanned copy of application form along with the required documents over email. For more details, visit our website univpoly.pitmesra.ac.in. The campus has various facilities like a rich library that offers vast resources and services, well-equipped laboratories, a dedicated training and placement cell to guide students to choose the right career, transport and medical facilities adequately supported by the main campus, NSS and sports ensures activities central to healthy and responsible society. Technical fests involving various competitions are conducted annually. It provides a platform to young brains to showcase their innovative ideas and compete with their peers. The technical fests are an amalgamation of fun and learning, where spectacular ideas are displayed and students learn and feel inspired. The annual cultural event Unifesto encompasses varied activities like music concerts, painting and sketching, fine arts and rangoli and a lot more. These events create social solidarity and cohesion, fostering social inclusion, community empowerment, and capacity building. It enhances confidence, civic pride, and tolerance. The Department of Automobile Engineering offers Diploma in Automobile Engineering with an intake capacity of 60. The department has extensive laboratories and workshops, rendering students industry ready. On completion, the students may apply for BE Mechanical or Automobile Engineering in the second year at institutes offering lateral entry scheme. The Department of Medical Lab Technology offers BSc Medical Lab Technology with an intake capacity of 30. On completion of the course, the students are employable as lab technologists and pathologists in hospitals and medical centers. They are also applicable for MSc. The Department of Computer Engineering offers Diploma in Computer Engineering with an intake capacity of 30. The department has substantial hardware and software resources to impart skill and training to the budding diploma engineers. Students on completion may also apply for BEE in Computer Science Engineering in the second year at institutes offering lateral entry scheme. Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering offers diploma in ECE with an intake of 30. The department has all the modern infrastructure to match the updated curriculum. Students after completion can apply for BE in ECE, Electronics and Instrumentation, IT at institutes offering lateral entry. Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering offers diploma in EEE with approved intake of 60. Besides its own lavish facilities, the department is well supported by EEE Department of VIT Mesra. The options for higher education is lateral entry to second year BE in Electrical, EEE, ECE, CSE, IT in institutions offering lateral entry. Department of Mechanical Engineering offers diploma in Mechanical Engineering with intake of 60. The department has all the infrastructure in terms of machineries, equipments and instruments required to provide in-depth insight into machines and processes. On completion, students can apply to second year BE in Mechanical, Production, Automobile at institutes offering lateral entry. Department of Mechanical Engineering Production offers diploma in Mechanical Engineering Production with an approved intake of 30 and has an extensive workshop facilities with additional laboratory support from Department of Production Engineering VIT Mesra that provides relevant field exposure to the students. Students can apply to second year BE in relevant branch at institutes offering lateral entry. For active growth of students, seminars, technical talks, and invited lectures form an integral part of our curriculum. Degree and diploma ceremony is conducted annually to confer awards to the candidates who qualify the respective courses successfully. Besides physical training in the regular curriculum, we have annual athletic meet including multiple field events, jumps and throws. We also have regular sports activities like volleyball championships, cricket tournament, football matches to encourage teamwork, interpersonal relationships and a kind of camaraderie, cutting across their study subjects, ethnic and economic background. University Polytechnic has a glorious placement record with students being placed in Tata Motors, Blue Star, CEAT Tires, GE Transportation, just to name a few. Students from our institute are also selected in PSUs like the Indian Railways, State Electricity Boards and BSNL. To avail the opportunities provided by University Polytechnic to transform your aspirations into reality, email your completed application forms to admissions.univpoly@bitmesra.ac.in. For further inquiry, visit our institute website univpoly.bitmesra.ac.in or contact at the numbers provided on the screen. Thank you.